Okay, and we are Adjo. Good evening to every one of you that is listening to me. This is Pastor's Kitchen. Pastor's Kitchen. I'm going to show you few things about lemon. Some few benefits about lemon. If I show name a crabby afa angadwe angadwe me use paama ni ankasa no aboa me. Hwɛ me yefunu aka nemo na me yefunu eso pa nyame adom angadwe ndi se me yefunu atwe pa na me obi a na me ta abo wate amane anke duru winter season se na me bo wasa na so angadwe ndi no one nyina have been coughing, especially when we are changing the season like winter season. I'll be coughing and then we'll be having chest pains and all over. But since I started using lemon, it has cleared my chest and it has bent my fat stomach. So it's very good for you to use it. Okay. Say now obey no. Now what you say you need to choose a name no. A friend of peel, lemon peel, and I said this lemon skin and tongue. So Bomodia na Bomodia na yi imodi anyway feel na chimunzo na wi okay mama nya fufu lemon no eni nti metwam bi enu say a yo ade a me di chinso no so ade we na me di chinso no we say chinso no from okay I wish can be to me say me chinso no nfa nko kire kakra na nti me chinso no udi ade no sisi say I wish me na you know that worry okay sana me chinso then it comes down. I just want you to see into the main sana so chinso no from okay mami fancy so on say me chinso no the chianka dwelling so okay menyan so na from aka peel no antontene bo modern na yi ade a wayi ade enso na wayi from the skin of mum na between ye from so you any from a draw ho mo amofu ayi akese no mo modern ene mo ade bia na mo bo wa na mo te akoro and I'm more cancer, or man, I'm more cancer. We come cancer, papa, we the skin on sense will be until I'm trenching it. And not it me come cancer. So asking you is in it me the two cancers, and I hope diabetes in so it make bread diabetes, it make bread as and it means so a bread high blood pressure and so acid. So that way. It you know that is lemon. A year near my baby, me the side we na my ye a dear name in effing. So, my year dear name in effing. Once my in a dear name in effing. Now I quite remember say me walk me yakodana a kurase. You call snails when we hunt for snails and we bring snails home. We have to prepare it. Now, snail used to be something that has a lot of mucus. Ahro, and wahupa, a mama, and wahu. Indeed, you two mobile brain, Sana. Bones are one saying, I am Mamma Chan, a young Kabiana, a Horoyansa, and a bucket in Yamana baby swinging a lemon, and I near the Horo. Do the lemon cut, a dear yet, my dear Pena. Completely in an article, so it ceases. The mucus ceases. That is a phlegm goes away. So, if your chest is full of phlegms, this is what you need. And then this one, we a ginger, you know, a lemon juice here. My yagu is a maybe mix it with this one. If you mix it, so with ginger. Ginger so by ginger no any juice no na we no so why you blend it because why I just want to tell you to blend it, okay? And then add it. Never throw this one again because this is very powerful. Once my email is here, my yin and inside my ear from my yin sooner from I say my you a peel, okay? Until no the better I say. Then I take another one. I have it. You see, I make sure I squeeze all of them. When I squeeze it, I have all this peel here, which I'm going to add everything. I'm not going to throw anything away, by the way. So let me continue to squeeze the juice. Wait, I don't know. You see, let me show you. Every morning, try to drink one lemon at least one lemon. One morning, one in the evening. You know, for the next 3 months. Now, belly now I can no fun I can see who brings any BC bear. Nobody now I can see. You don't know who could triage him. Maybe triage so long as I'm sitting. My whole thing by the grace of God. My friends also say, I have flat, mommy. I have flat, I'm a see the deal, man. The first my football horse, and can't do an me. First, also, now me bought a mamma a wa. Hey, you change seasons here and now grow, but by the grace of God, no. Lemon has cleared it all. Lemon with ginger. It's Adibakwa, lemon, and then the skin also, and they said, if you mix all these things together with the ginger, even by itself, no, it's a medicine. And when you mix with this together now, oh my God, vitamin C, vitamin A, a lot of things, which I cannot tell all of them to you right now. And then, do you know one thing that it helps him to do? More rheumatism, arthritis, oh, it can be they say, Nami waste. Me dware na me waste ko pimo bathtub no e na ha se no oh start here me bibi pa na me mabati ha ni ade nso so me nya accident bi ni nyina lemon na akre no lemon ni ginger medura no edura me dia no, and it has done a lot for me. That is why I recommend that you also use it and it will help you. All you need yo and am I chili lemon and as orange, you the chili lemon and as orange. But me and you go store. But I could be so I have another one and also I had to say cap and lid to become boom. Now the lemon up to now you squeeze it like this. This one is easy. This one you just put it on top here and then begin to squeeze it. Okay. It's video here. I don't want to make it too long. You're short. If you say my if we natural madada, and then we natural madada. 2 year, all you need is mix it with ginger. Mix it with ginger, and then make sure that you remove the food inside, and then just get the peel, and make sure you use it every morning, every afternoon, every evening. At least make sure the quantity you are using is up to like one lemon per day. That would be good to heal you or to clear your system or to do something for you in a few months. And you don't need to pay for gym. Yeah, gym it's not because of anything, but would be a but this will give you a lot of health benefit. God richly bless you and thank you for watching. Share the video. This is just a short video about lemon and then lemon peel, lemon juice, and then ginger.